So today now I'm at the Marriott Hotel in Shenzhen, and I'm going to review with you the buffet dinner that has been served tonight. You see there's a lot of flags of Brazil. That means today there is a Brazilian food festival going on here. And you see there's lots of fruit and foods. This place is actually quite nice. And food varieties in the buffet is really amazing. This station does have all the steaks and the fried fish, and he just made a soup, Chinese soup. Very nice. You know, these are very popular in China. The crayfish, very spicy. They have all the Western food here as well. Here, all the Brazilian food, and hi, Selena, how are you? Selena is my friend here, and she's also with me tonight, trying dinner. Lots of vegetables. That's the beauty of Chinese food. They use a lot of vegetables also. Here comes the sushi. Very nice. So, hi again. Yes, it's very nice. Lots of people come with family. You know, you see the kids are running and having fun. It's really a nice place to have dinner and fun in Shenzhen. This is just a suburb of Shenzhen, not the downtown. So I'm going to jump on food. Thank you for watching. Hi. What's your name?
I'm Lester. Lester. Lester Lee.
Okay, so I want to take a video with this person because he's so nice, and he basically arranged all my foods, even though I'm trying a buffet. But there is some, restrictions of foods I cannot take. So I just asked him, and he prepared everything for me. So a big thumbs up for you. Thank you very much.
Welcome. This is my responsibility.
Thank you very much. So, thank you. Okay, no problem. Thank you. Take your time. Thank you very much. তো চায়না আসলে একটা খুবই মজার একটা জায়গা। এখানে আসলে আপনি কীভাবে এই মানুষজনের সাথে মিশে যায় সেটার উপর ডিপেন্ড করে আসলে এখানে হসপিটালিটি। হ্যাঁ, তো আমি এখানে আজকে যে হসপিটালিটি পাচ্ছি তারা আমি আমার কিছু ডায়েটারি ইস্যু আছে, যেমন পর্ক খাওয়া এসব ব্যাপার আছে, সেই জিনিসগুলো তারা সুন্দরভাবে হ্যান্ডেল করছে। তারা নিজেদের ফুড প্রিপেয়ার করে দিচ্ছে। আমি আজকে যেটা ট্রাই করছি এখন, এই ক্রে ফিশ খুবই স্পাইসি। হ্যাঁ, একটা হংকং স্টাইল আর একটা হচ্ছে নর্মাল চায়না স্টাইল। হ্যাঁ, আর এখানে একটু ফ্রাইড গ্রিল ফিশ, যেটা চায়নাতে আমি আসলে সবচেয়ে বেশি পছন্দ করি সেটা হচ্ছে এই পেপারস, রেড পেপারস, ইয়েলো পেপারস স্পেশালি। হ্যাঁ, অসাধারণ। ব্ল্যাক পেপার দিয়ে ওরা যে একটা গ্রিল করে, খুব অসাধারণ লাগে। Okay, more videos coming.
Okay, good. Very special food. Crayfish. This is a very spicy one. I already finished the Hong Kong style, so I only have this. Crayfish. Super. And these fish are very nice. I tried it before. It's very tasty. And one thing I like in China more is this. This cherry tomato is just absolutely wonderful. The taste is mind-blowing. Okay, I'll try more food now. Thank you.
I stayed Courtyard Marriott for many times already whenever I visit this area. And one of the things I like about them is this buffet. It's mind blowing. There's so many items, and there's different cuisines. It's not only about Chinese food. Even there is a different Chinese cuisine is here. Today there's a Brazilian food festival is going on, and this is just awesome. Look at these all these items, the vegetables, the fried rice, different fish, seafood, meat. It's like a food heaven. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Keep following my channel to see more videos. See you.